Looking for outdoor extension cords for Christmas lights? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 outdoor extension cords available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect outdoor extension cords for flooring for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get starting at number 5 on our list. We have the Atimo 100 Fort 14/3 SJTW Yellow 2-pack outdoor extension. 100 feet of bright yellow heavy-duty cording make this outdoor extension cord the perfect choice for long-range electrical extension while minimizing the chances of tripping or accidents with lawn mowers. This cord provides full power with a 3-prong female head. This basic extension cord comes in a variety of lengths for those who don't need the full 100 feet. Water and flame resistant, it's rated for top safety. While this cord can be universally used by 3-prong devices, it won't work with a 2-prong. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Cable Matters 2-pack 16 Arabin Florins heavy-duty power extension cord. This basic outdoor extension cord pack offers 2 female, 3-prong outlet extension options for any outdoor need. A sleek black for aesthetic appeal, it comes in various lengths and works with most outdoor appliances, tools, and accessories. Strong enough to work on both indoor and outdoor appliances, this extension cord 2-pack is designed for use outdoors and can stand up to most weather conditions. Ideal for outdoor holiday lighting, it's easy to use with a simple plug into any outdoor socket. This product could be considered more affordable than others in this product category and is only available in black. At number 3 on our list, we have the Ultra Pro 25 Ford extension cord. Available in 2 color choices, this cord comes with 2 layers of protective coating for long-lasting use outside in electrical extension needs. With 3 triple-prong female outlet options, it works universally with 3-prong male appliances and accessories. While this extension cord is heavy-duty and can stand up to any weather condition, its longest length is 25 feet. For this reason, it may be too short for some needs. It's specifically designed for lighting and can prevent lighting outages or other outdoor issues. At number 2 on our list, we have the Woods 277,563 Outdoor Extension Power Block. This 8-foot outdoor extension cord from Woods features a coating made from heavy-duty vinyl and is meant to be tangle-free. It features an extra outlet for more efficient use outdoors. Woods outdoor extension cord is heavy and of excellent quality. It's an ideal length for a wide variety of outdoor devices, including leaf blowers and similar tools. Plugs fit snugly inside of the cord socket. It's prone to getting dirty easily. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the 2-pack of 10 Ford outdoor extension cords. Iron Forge Cables outdoor extension cords feature ample strain relief and are versatile enough to be used indoors. The prongs feature reinforced blades for added durability. Overall, these outdoor extension cords are of high quality. They're hefty and work well in a wide variety of environments, so long as you don't let them get too wet. They're on the stiffer side, so use them with caution. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.